Hello everyone, welcome to Planet Ayurveda. Today in this testimonial we are again having one of our patients here and welcome sir. May I know your name and from which condition you are actually suffering from?
My name is Vivek, and I was diagnosed with sarcoidosis in 2020 June.
Okay.
Yes.
So what was your condition when you were actually diagnosed with sarcoidosis? Like what symptoms you were encountering and things like that?
So initially, first symptom was my knees. I saw my knees were like very stiff and swelled up, and I was not able to sit properly and stand up, and I was seeing those symptoms in my knees. Then I started feeling tired a lot, like even if I walk a little bit, then I was feeling very out of breath and tired. So that's how I kind of figured it out, like something is wrong.
Okay, then with these symptoms you visited the doctor around
Yes.
you, and what the doctors tell you that
So-
what is the actual problem going on?
Yeah, so doctors, while they were telling me to go through some tests, blood tests and everything, I felt like I was feeling even more worse in my condition. I got fever and it was not going away. I was having fever every day, like especially in the nights. I was having fever for like more than a month continuously, and I was told multiple blood tests.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Also weight loss was also there, like very drastically. It dropped from 75 to 62 within a month or two.
okay. So may I ask you a very personal question that before getting to know that you are having this condition or before encountering the symptoms, is there any particular lifestyle or diet you think that it is responsible for this condition?
Yes, I would say I was, because of the lockdown, I was like at home and not at all doing my exercise, and following very bad diet, like including all sauce and all the dressings and pizzas and garlic breads and all those. Like every day I was having those stuff. So I think that is the major part that is responsible.
So because of that, any changes you have noticed in your digestion or in your behavior?
Well, digestion has been a weak part of me. So but behavior was like okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So like in 2020 you were diagnosed with sarcoidosis, and how you actually get to know about Planet Ayurveda, or how you actually contacted us?
Yeah, the same way. That's the reason I'm interviewing here today, because I came across. I was told by someone that there are cures in Ayurveda for every disease. So I was looking up online, and I found this video on YouTube that doctor was showing some testimonial from people who suffered from this disease and got cured. So that's how I contacted Dr. Vikram.
Okay.
Yeah.
So from how long you are having treatment from Planet Ayurveda?
So yeah, I started my treatment last year, 2021 January.
Okay.
I emailed doctor, and they told me to follow Sarcopac.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you are basically just following the sarcophagus. Any additions or anything?
So yes, they told me to follow a strict diet that I have been following since then, and also the Sarcopac and Broncho plan.
Okay.
And those medicines.
Okay, by the way, may I ask that when you visited your allopathic doctor, what they actually told you, that is this condition curable or treatable, manageable? What they
Yeah,
have
they-
actually guided you?
They told me that there is no they don't have an evidence that there is any cause of related to this disease or any cure.
They just told you that it is an autoimmune condition.
Autoimmune condition, which they haven't found any cure
Okay.
so far.
So they kept
Yeah.
you on steroidal doses or?
Yes.
Okay.
So like after I got diagnosed, I was feeling little during that period. My health was getting a little better, but not completely better. So they told me to wait for like 3-4 months, but in those 3-4 months it was like same. So they put me on prednisone, that's a steroid.
Okay.
And I followed that medication for some time, for like whole year. But I started Ayurveda, Planet Ayurveda alongside.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when you were having Planet Ayurveda's medication in initial, at that time you were also having the steroids that were being guided by the allopathic doctor.
Yes.
Okay. So for how long with Planet Ayurveda medication you were taking the steroids?
At least 6 months.
6 months.
Yes.
And after 6 months means the steroidal doses were gradually stopped or ceased, right?
Yes, gradually stopped.
Okay. So my next question is that is there any particular things you want to tell about your diet to our viewers, that what exactly you have avoided?
Yes, for me, what has worked is completely avoiding dairy,
Okay.
especially cheese and all the dressings and all those fat stuff. That was I think that's how I got this disease. I don't know like how, but I think that's the major part. You need to follow the diet is the main part that cures the disease, and also I think just regular medication, not skipping the medication, and
Okay. So
diet.
can you just tell me a difference, like when you were having the dairy products and when you just stopped taking the dairy products?
So yeah, my digestion, like I was my tummy was feeling upset and always bloated when I was taking dairy products and all those junk foods.
Okay.
And also like related to this disease, it was getting worse and worse. And also like allopathic doctors, I asked them like if diet has anything to do with the disease. They told me that it has no relevance.
They actually don't have anything like they can tell you about that.
Yeah.
In this condition you have to eat this, otherwise the condition will get worse or will get better.
Right.
Usually.
They told me there is no relevance with the diet, but personally I feel that is the major part.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is there any good message you want to convey to people about Planet Ayurveda?
Yes, it is. I mean, this is the thing that cured me, the medications and the diet that doctor told me. So if you are suffering from this disease, please follow it strictly. You will see results very soon. And both things, proper medication and proper diet, don't leave that. You will get better very soon.
So as Mr. Vivek has told us that how for even a shorter period of time you do a lot of lifestyle changes, diet changes, and if that lifestyle and diet changes are not in an appropriate manner, that can cause a lot of diseases in a lot of people. So you must take his advice and should learn something from his experience. So thank you for watching. Thank you very much.
I want to add one more thing.
Yeah, sure.
Please do exercise every day. Don't leave.
Yes,
Don't skip
totally
that.
agree with that.
Yes.
That exercising is important. It
Yes.
is very important that you should move your body a bit, like even for 20 to 30 minutes. So thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
आयुर्वेदा 5000 साल पुरानी ऋषि मुनियों द्वारा नेचुरल हर्ब से तैयार प्राचीन चिकित्सा पद्धति है। हमारे तन और मन को स्वस्थ रखने के लिए planetayurveda.com 100% genuine classical medicines, natural cosmetics, herbal supplements, इम्यून बूस्टर एंड हर्बल टीज ऑनलाइन लाए हैं ताकि हम हैप्पी एंड हेल्थी लाइफ जी सकें। www.planetayurveda.com Ayurvedic medicines delivered worldwide.